Hello, in this fresh episode, we will talk about new GoPro Hero 13 Black. The Hero 13 Black is the first camera to use Burst Slo-Mo, which allows for 15 real-time seconds at 400 frames per second at 720p. Alternatively, choose a higher resolution of 5.3K 120 FPS for 5 seconds or 900p 360 FPS for 15 seconds, offering superb video quality and slow motion capability. Improved dynamic range and low light performance result in higher quality photos and movies in a variety of lighting scenarios. The detail and color accuracy of the new sensor are enhanced. Without a housing, the camera keeps its sturdy, water-resistant construction and can endure depths of up to 33 feet, 10 meters. Additionally, made to withstand knocks and hostile surroundings is the tough exterior. AI-based capabilities like automated editing suggestions and real-time scene identification are integrated into the Hero 13 Black. These resources make it easier to produce content of a high caliber with less work. Faster transfer speeds are made possible by enhanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities, which facilitate content sharing and device connections. Compared to the Hero 12 Black, the Hero 13 Black has a more powerful battery that lasts up to 30% longer. Quick charging is supported, allowing you to resume shooting sooner. With its greater durability, longer battery life, better stabilization, and advanced video recording capabilities, the GoPro Hero 13 Black stands out. It keeps pushing the boundaries of action camera performance, which makes it a great option for professional and amateur video makers that need high-quality footage in challenging environments. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.